What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to repurpose TikToks to Instagram Reels. In Repurpose.io, in the left corner, select Create Workflow. You can either repurpose new posts or repurpose existing content. So we will select Repurpose New Posts. We then want to select the source as TikTok. Select your TikTok account, and then we want it to post to Instagram. Select your Instagram account, and we want to make sure that the type is Reels. Then select Create Workflow. And now your automation is complete. When videos are posted on TikTok, they will automatically be posted to Instagram. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.